Hey everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your Mac computer. Microsoft Office is available to all USC students at no charge, and you'll be able to find instructions on how to access and download it here. You will need to have your NetID and password ready for this installation. As well, beginning the installation process, please check your device is compatible. The minimum requirements for your Mac computer must be an operating system consisting of either Catalina, Mojave, or High Sierra. You must have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, at least a 10 gigabyte hard drive, and you must be using one of these browsers: Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. To get started, we're going to open up a browser. We highly recommend you use Google Chrome. From here, you're going to navigate to http://itservices.usc.edu/office students. From here, you're going to pause the video and read the entire instruction page that ITS has provided. Once you've read through the instructions, you can navigate to the Microsoft Office sign-in page by clicking the link here. Or you can type in portal.office.com/ols/mysoftware.aspx in the browser. You'll then be asked to sign in. You're going to use your NetID email address for this. Then you'll select Next. You'll then be taken to the Shibboleth sign-in page where we're going to sign in with our NetID username and password. Then press Sign In. As well, you're going to need to identify yourself using Duo. Once you have signed in, you'll be prompted to stay signed in or not. This is a personal preference and it's up to you to decide. In this case, I will be pressing No. You will then be brought to the Office Installer page. From here, we're going to select Install Office and the file will begin downloading. Depending on the internet speed you have will depend how long the download will take. It can take up to an hour in some cases. Once the file has finished downloading, we can click on it. If you're using Chrome, you're going to see it at the bottom taskbar. If you're not using Chrome, you can go into your Downloads folder and you can select the Microsoft Office installer. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up the installation wizard. From here, you're going to press Continue. You'll be asked to read over the software license agreement, which we'll press Continue for again. You'll then press Agree. You'll select Install for all users on this computer and then press Continue. Finally, you'll press Install. You'll enter in your computer password. Then press Install Software, and the installation will begin. This can take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on the specifications of your computer. Once the installation has finished, you'll be greeted with a green check mark and a message that says the installation was successful. From here, we're going to press Close. As well, you'll be asked if you want to move the installer to the trash, and you'll select Yes or Move to Trash. The next step is to activate the Office suite. We're going to do this by opening up Finder. We're going to toggle to Applications, and then we're going to look for all the Office apps. We're going to open up Word. We'll be greeted with the What's New in Word information page, and we'll press Get Started. You'll then be asked to sign in. You'll press Sign In. You can enter your USC email address here. Then press Next. You're going to sign in with your NetID and password. As well, you will need to identify yourself using Duo. Once you have done that, you'll get a message that says you're all set, followed by a green check mark, and you can start using Word. You've now activated all the Office apps within the Office suite. If you have any questions or need any help, Reach out to the help desk at help@law.usc.edu or give us a call at 213-740-2571.